Hello, you guys. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you guys about the SFM, and the reason why is because at this point here, if you're out there and you're looking for something, I think you need to consider just take a moment in space and check out my website to see if this is something for you. It's not to promise you about nothing, but it's to help you out along the way because there are so much things out there, and the SFM they really could help you out on your journey. So let's talk about the SFM. So I know a lot of people lose their job, a lot of families. There's a lot of frustration out there, and now finally, when it boils down to everything, this is a helping world. You could say what you want to say, but this is a helping world. We need to help each other by giving each other advice, by helping each other along the way. If you're working for a company, the company would not exist without you. So uh, when the day is over, you see to yourself this is a helping world. In different age, in different times, you had different things. Like long ago, let's say in the 70s, when you were very strong, big muscle, very strong, you could work hard, and maybe you could dig a hole with your shovel, and you make it happen. You know, you were strong. And then yeah, things change when machines come in, and yeah, things machine take not really take over the jobs, but they created other jobs as well, because you need, of course, somebody to operate the machines. And then after that, then we see also that a lot of things change when the mobiles come in, and video and all these things going on. So the world is changing, and things what you learn, the way of how we have been taught at school is just changing all the time. So you need to keep on changing also, with the system, with what's going wrong, changing around you. Saying that, if you take a look at of the artificial intelligence, and for example, a simple thing like the electric cars, then we see there is a lot of change going on. So knowing that, the things that you know now, the question sometimes you need to ask yourself is, would this what I know, would this help me out for the next 30 to 40 years? Can I use the same knowledge and skill what I have now, and is my health going to take me the next 40 to 50 years? Is there something I could do to improve myself, like learning a next skill, or doing something else, or doing something next to your job, your day-to-day job? These are questions you could ask yourself, and yeah, depending where you are, and if you would like to contribute to mankind, to your, yeah, in this case, around the world, or even if people next door, so this is a way you could do this, and the SFM, by the way, you could check out my website at troyahope.com, and then it's in a work in progress, so you bits and pieces need to be done, but in the meanwhile you could still be uh, make you still make use of it, in the sense that it will be linked to the SFM, and the SFM could help you along the way. It's not something to think about in the sense that you're just gonna. Some people are looking for a quick fit. This is not a quick fit. If you're looking for a quick fit, then you could just turn off the video at this moment and then forget about it, because it's not a quick fit. It's something for the long journey, something to help you improve your skills. And saying that, I was thinking about, when you was born like a baby, the next day you haven't been start running and jumping about a place. No, it took you a while, at least, yeah, some years before you start walking or crawling or whatever, and then eventually you get big. So it took some time before you become the person you are now. So that's the time you need to devote to yourself to learn something new. Saying all of this, I'll leave you guys with my website. There will be Troy A and then Hope altogether.com. And I hope you guys enjoy this short movie what I put together for you. So you guys take care, and I'm looking forward to see you again. You guys be safe out there, because I must say it is not over as yet. So uh, and the way I'm thinking about it, I think that we will have to try it. We will have to live with it in one way or the other. Be careful, but still, we have to live through it until there is a solution. So you guys take care and be positive, and make sure you contribute to the world. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye now. Bye bye.